Here's how to change your Machine GUID hardware ID in Windows using the Registry editor. Press the Windows key, search for Registry Editor, and right-click it to run as administrator. Admin access is required to modify system-level registry entries. Navigate to H key, Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Cryptography. You will see an entry called Machine GUID. This is your current hardware ID. Double-click it to see the value. Open your browser and search for GUID Generator. Go to any free generator site and click Generate to create a new unique ID. Copy it. Go back to Registry Editor, double-click Machine GUID again, clear the existing value, and paste your new generated ID. Click OK to save. Close Registry Editor and restart your PC. After rebooting your system, we'll have a new hardware ID. Two important things to understand. First, this changes only the software-based machine identifiers stored in the registry, not your actual physical hardware IDs, which are hard-coded into your components. Second, some platforms detect hardware ID changes and may flag your account as suspicious if you do this in an attempt to bypass bans, since additional hardware identifiers beyond the Machine GUID are often checked simultaneously. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.